Hey everyone, it's Kat with Kat Warren Photo. Let's go ahead and do another post-processing video using Lightroom. But this time, instead of 20 minutes, I'm going to challenge myself. I'm only going to give myself around 5 minutes to do this. So it's going to be interesting. So let's do this. Let's do one of Jillian. How about that? Ooh, let's do a colorful one. Okay, let's go ahead. All right, let's do one of the purple and the yellow. How about that? Okay. Take note of the time. It's 11:52. If my computer will just hurry up. All right. Let's go ahead and do this one. Yeah. All right. So I already ranked this beforehand. I just never got to actually editing it. So let's do, again, lift shadows, okay? Then let's do exposure. Let's do exposure at 75. Contrast. You know what? Wow, I think I like the contrast better this time. So let's do 20 contrast, highlights. All right, y'all, it's 11:52. Well, it was 11:53. So let's do... So I got until 11:58 to do this. $30 for the shadows, whites. Kind of like the whites. I'm going to keep it at 5. Blacks. Okay, maybe -45. Texture. Do we want texture? No, not really. Okay, clarity. A little bit of clarity. Just a little bit. Dehaze. Ooh. Gosh, this one's hard. Let's do a little bit of dehaze. Vibrance. We could always use a little bit more color. Okay. And then what about the tints? This is so interesting. We're going to undo. I'm not going to fool around with that. Okay, tone curve. Let's see. If I had my color wheel here, that would be nice. I'm not going to spend too much time on this just because this is what eats up a lot of time. So we'll do that. It's 11:55. I only got 3 minutes, y'all. Ooh. Okay, blue. Oh gosh. Okay, there we go. And then for the yellow, what are we doing with the yellow? I don't even know why I'm whispering right now. All right, let's -65 luminance. We'll do 15 orange saturation. Okay, luminance. Probably at -15. What about this? Ooh. Okay. 2 more minutes, guys. Do you think I will be able to make it? Do you like this so far? Let me know by commenting below. Okay, I'm done with that. Color grading. Should I even color grade? I don't have time. Lens correction, always do that. Okay, effects, highlight. I could do -5. Grain, let's do a little bit of grain. 35. Got 1 more minute, guys. Okay, you know what? Let's do a radial gradient real quick. Boom. She needs to be lighten up a little bit. And then contrast or black. Come on, my computer's messing up. All right, y'all, 11:58. All right, guys, so that's time. What do y'all think before and after? If you like what you see, drop me a line. And also, don't forget to hit that bell notification to my channel if you haven't already done so. Like always, I appreciate your support, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks so much, guys. Cat Warren Photo, out.